Okay, I just asked Jonathan about this. It's the checking Lowe's and Home Depot to see if they're on the both. I mean, to see if they both have the same product. And this is something I want you to do now when you list. I'm not saying don't list it if it's not in both places, but I want to know if it is or not. If that makes any sense. So I just put this one in. I haven't changed the title yet for a reason. You want to look down here for model number, which is usually, I don't think there is one. You can check by, well, no, they don't list by UPC. They don't list a model number here, so we're going to go with the MPN. Normally you check for model number first, but there is none. So I'm going to check by MPN. Okay, nothing. And then the other thing you want to do is check the title in Home Depot, and I wouldn't do the whole thing. I would just do maybe this much and see if it's over here. Search. No. So we've confirmed that this is not in Home Depot. So in addition to putting your initials, put capital L after it if it is on Lowe's, and then put let's see, I guess XL, meaning it's not on Lowe's. That way when we go to fulfill orders, we'll know right away if it's on Lowe's or not. Because if it is on Lowe's, there's a different way I want these ordered. So that's what I want to go over. Do that with every listing. Again, it's capital L for it's on Lowe's and XL if it's not.